Hey guys, if you are someone who keep trying different types of hacks and tricks to losing your weight, but you're not able to do that, then this video is for you. But here is a truth bomb, nobody talks about it. Beautiful souls, so today videos is just like a wake up call for all Indian women, especially for women who keep trying each and everything to lose weight and from keto to cardio but not able to find anything and they feel still stuck somewhere.
Hi guys, Nisha this side and you're watching Life Inside by Nisha. I'm a mother, wife, book lover, traveler, and a specialist by profession, but mentor. So let's join this insightful journey with me.
So weight is not just physical, it's psychological, it's emotional. And the more you, it's not just about what you're eating, it's about what's eating you inside. Surprise? Let's dive in. नंबर 1, फिजिकल वेट इज इक्वल टू इमोशनल वेट. आप किसी भी झगड़े के बाद आपने कभी फुल बकेट ऑफ आइसक्रीम खाई है या आपने मील स्किप किया है? लेट्स बी वेरी रियल. सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल. बी समवेयर एंकर आर हंगर टू एनी डिप्रेस और सैड सिचुएशन. After immediate fight, you are not able to skip the meal. In fact, you are in a mood to more ice creams or more meals. And that's not hunger, my dear. That is completely not hunger. That is something that your inner child craving for comfort. A lot of women, there are many women in India who carry the weight of their unhealed trauma, their rejection, guilt, fight, any negative emotions which inbuilt in his personality during the childhood. So whenever you are feeling insecure, you're feeling bad, you are eating more, and that is something which is completely psychological. So what is the exact reason behind this? The reason behind this is the suppressed emotion. Suppressed emotions store fat. What the psychologists say about that? Whatever the mind suppress, the body express. So when you bottle up your anger, your guilt, your any negative emotions, and think about your belly fat, it's not just about eating a lot of food or your junk food. It's about storing years anxiety and sadness, and that's why belly fat, your belly comes out, it never go back to the same position. So what is the reason behind this and how to reduce your weight sustainably so that it cannot come back to the same position? Because what is the problem? There are a lot of women who are losing weight, but personally seen so many women who are losing a lot of hacks, techniques, and there are a lot of ads running on YouTube and social media that these pills and these are actually harming your internal organs, and many of us are not aware about that, and we are keep having this medicine just because to lose weight, but we are not able to do the root cause analysis. That is just because suppressed emotions. How to reduce your weight sustainable to heal first, then your weight automatically goes down. It's my personal experience. When you start healing emotions through journalizing, through forgiveness, through different type of prayers, meditation, your breath work, you are actually calm by mind, because everything whatever we are doing in our life, that starts from here. So once we start breath work, we are doing meditations and we are healing ourselves from here, then automatically weights go down, start losing weight. And it's not magic, actually it's a neuroscience, and it is backed by the complete neuroscience, where so many scientists have researched this problem to understand what is the reason behind this. And then when you start healing your emotions, your body finally feels in safe zone, and they are not triggering your emotions up and down, and now your body realizes that it's a time to release weight automatically. Really need is self-love and not self-hate. Many women hate these situations and hate their body as well, that I don't like my body and just want to lose my weight. Instead of this, should say this: I love my body and I just want to free it now. Healing begins when you said I love my body and I want to free it now. So today I want you to ask yourself what you actually carrying inside you, because when you release that weight emotionally, then your physical weight melting down effortlessly. to open your eyes, then share it with women who need the reminder, and do not forget to comment that I'm ready to release my emotional as well as physical. Don't forget to subscribe because your healing journey starts now.